Imagine creating a Hollywood-style animated film in minutes. No crew, no budget, just your ideas bursting to life. While creators waste hours on clunky software, AI heroes are crushing time-wasting villains. Ready to unlock unlimited animated videos? Let's dive in. Outdated tools drain time, money, and creativity. In 2025, AI is your secret weapon, turning beginners into pros. Wait till you see tool number 3, it's a game changer. ChatGPT crafts vivid story prompts instantly, tripling your output like a co-writer on overdrive. Next up, visuals that stun. Leonardo AI transforms prompts into jaw-dropping images, anime to photoreal in seconds. Creators are secretly dominating with it. Feels unfair, right? Grock AI, the hero, turns images into fluid videos. Grab my referral link below for pro-level prompts. More awaits. Animaker, Reddit's hidden gem, auto-builds animated worlds. Creators swear by its billions of combos. Runway ML Gen-4 crafts cinematic animations fast. Skip it, and you're working 10 times harder. Synthesia's AI avatars narrate in 140+ languages, future-proofing your films. Don't miss the links below. AI banishes burnout, empowering your creative empire. Subscribe, share, and grab those links before they're gone.